The federal government is investigating a complaint that Jordan's principal funding was not being properly spent at a Manitoba First Nation. Jordan's principal is a policy to ensure all First Nations children in Canada can access products and services for a wide range of health, social, and educational needs. Veerlyn Kubanek reports.
The complaint deals with delivery of services under Jordan's principle at Shamattawa First Nation in northeast Manitoba. It was filed by a former worker who resigned last November from her job delivering Jordan's principal services at Shamattawa. Janet Pitzel says there was misuse of Jordan's principal federal funds and the wrongful dismissal of employees. Her complaint to the federal government alleges Jordan's principal money wasn't always being used for the services that Shamattawa children and families needed. She had concerns that children in Shamattawa were not getting the federally funded services because of local factors.
Their basic needs aren't being met. And it's sad. It shouldn't happen in this day and age. And there shouldn't be people taking advantage of a program, especially for children. Never mind, they shouldn't be taking advantage of any program, but this is for their kids in their community.
We asked Shamattawa First Nation Chief Jordan Hill about the complaint. He denies that people in the community were not getting the services they need under Jordan's principle. And he denies the allegation that federal funds were being improperly spent. He says the complaint contains false allegations. Chief Hill says a recent meeting with federal officials about the complaint went well, and he says everything was explained. The Federal Indigenous Services Department confirmed it's investigating the complaint. A spokesperson told CBC the department takes allegations and complaints regarding the misuse of public funds very seriously. To that end, the department has put a process in place to ensure these allegations and complaints are examined properly and that appropriate action is taken.
That's all we can do at this point, is bring it to everybody's attention, and hopefully someone can step in and say, we need to revamp this, we need to revisit it. We need to meet with the community and see what else needs to be done.
The federal spokesperson said that due to privacy concerns, Indigenous Services Canada won't comment further on the allegations. Veerlyn Kubanek, CBC News, Winnipeg.